Driven by the passion he has for his work and the ability to make a significant difference in the state of California, Jon D. Meer has built an impactful career in the legal field, in which he primarily represents Fortune 500 companies through important and high-risk lawsuits. Wanting to be remembered by his peers and clients as an aggressive, hard-hitting, and creative attorney who gets the job done no matter what, Mr. Meer has wielded his courtroom prowess for more than 20 years and shows no sign of slowing down. Growing up in Buffalo, New York, Mr. Meer very naturally gravitated toward his profession as he liked to argue and viewed standing in front of a jury and presenting a case as a way for him to pursue various careers: teacher, lecturer, actor, and businessman, among others. Upon graduating with a Bachelor of Science from the School of Industrial and Labor Relations at Cornell University in 1986, he obtained a Doctor of Jurisprudence from the Boston University School of Law in 1989. Degrees in hand, he was also admitted to practice law by the state of California, the U.S. Court of Appeals for the 6th, 9th, and 10th Circuits, the U.S. Bankruptcy Court for the Central District of California, and the U.S. District Court for all districts of California, Eastern District of Michigan, Western District of Missouri, District of Nevada, and District of New Mexico. He launched his career as an associate at Paul Hastings and then a partner at Aiken Gump LLP, before serving as a partner and chair of employment practice at DLA Piper US LLP from 2002 to 2008. Since 2008, Mr. Meer has excelled as a partner at the Los Angeles branch of Seyfarth Shaw LLP, an international law firm that provides advisory, litigation, and transactional legal services to its clients. There, his area of expertise has been defending high-profile employers, including the world's most famous brands and businesses, in class action lawsuits brought on by employees. These cases encompass trials in which there are allegations of wage theft, discrimination, harassment, unfair competition, and theft of trade secrets. Among his many career highlights, he considers his proudest as being one of only a handful of lawyers to have successfully won jury trials in plaintiff-related class action cases, which he attributes to loving the work he does and being able to set a standard that has to be followed, on a state level and sometimes on a national one. Additionally, he referred to his state of California as the epicenter of employment-related trials due to its economy. In recognition of his resounding accomplishments in court, he has accrued numerous accolades, such as being named in the MVP Top 5 Lawyers in Labor and Employment Law by LexisNexis and Southern California's top-rated lawyers by the Los Angeles Times, honored as a super lawyer in Los Angeles Magazine, and was most recently listed in the Daily Journal's Top 75 Lawyers in California in 2019. In addition, he holds an AV Preeminent rating from Martindale-Hubbell Thomas Reuters. Outside of his primary roles, Mr. Meer has volunteered as an applicant interviewer for the Cornell Club of Los Angeles and contributed to the Constitutional Rights Foundation, an organization that seeks to inspire lifelong civic engagement through interactive programs and resources for teachers and youth. Through this organization, he volunteered for the Lawyer in the Classroom program at Dorsey High School, developing lessons on a range of legal topics and visiting classrooms to help teachers present these materials. He has remained connected to his industry over the course of his career as a member of the labor and employment law sections of the American Bar Association, Los Angeles County Bar Association, and the State Bar of California. He is also a member of the Cornell Club of California, Constitutional Rights Foundation, Phi Kappa Phi, and Phi Beta Sigma. Looking toward the future, Mr. Meer advised that the next generation of lawyers accept every opportunity for training to learn new skills, and stressed that one gets better in the field by taking advantage of every experience.